Hello everyone. Welcome to a Sunday stream. Day 47. We're back working on the fish game. Hello Francias, and welcome everyone else that's joining in. Wanna real quick say sorry for not talking to you in a little, because I had a few UGC things to work on as well as UGC commissions. Got paid well for it though, that's good to hear. It's all good though, don't worry about it too much. How have you been doing? I've been doing all right. Okay, my camera messed up. That's better, I think. Yeah. So yeah, today we're gonna be working on quests. I've been doing pretty fine. Was gonna stream yesterday, but I got some life things going on, so I wasn't able to, but I am able to today. Hopefully we get as much as we can done with quests. Honestly, I don't remember what we did last stream. All right, yes, we made this GUI right here for all the quests. We have one for 3 requirements, one for 2, and one for 1. The game looks really good so far. Well done, thank you. But yeah, yeah, this doesn't clash out with the inventory, which is good, and you can always just have it open. So yeah, today I'm gonna make some kind of we're not making the NPC model today, we're just making the functionality. I feel like not really in it for the model today. So hopefully we make like a press pad, you stand on it, there's some dialogue that plays, and you get a quest. Yo, hello Baj, welcome to the stream. But yeah, hopefully we can get that done today. I don't think it should be too difficult. I mean, I've already done a quest system for my other game, so I should be able to kind of just like replicate it a little bit, just a bit better. But yeah, today we will be working on that. We have GUI done, so we don't need to worry about GUI, at least. At least that's good. Alright, let's catch a clownfish. I'll show off the ability. Oh, that GUI clashes up with this. Might have to move it a little bit then, since I think people are just always gonna have this open, since, you know, they kind of do that in Bee Swarm. So I think it'll be kind of be the same in this game, especially because this GUI even takes up less space. But we have this ability here that spawns in corals, orange corals. But yeah, we can honestly just already start working with that. So we have quest UI here for that quest opening. Enclose fish abilities and fish module. We probably want to keep these. Okay. Backpack movement in OGQ branch was made extremely bad and it's nearly readable, so I have to remake it in Humanese. Whoa. Alright, well, good luck with that. Alright. Where did I have those functions already? I have them in talking connection modules, right? We already have a thing for talking, so we can just connect the talking. Have you added fish saving yet? Yes, I have. We do have fish saving, at least it should work. Okay, let's try it. If let's say we add saving, if we enable saving, right now it's disabled. Wait, where is this? It should be here. Yeah, and then if we just do this, that should enable saving. And then if let's say we just collect a fish, claim a nest, collect a fish, place it here, then leave, rejoin. Probably not gonna work though, since I haven't tested it. Yeah, it doesn't work, but the only thing that doesn't work is the model. You can still click on it and see that you have a clownfish, of course, since the values are still there. But yeah, we'll fix that a bit later. Right now I just want to fully focus on quests. So we should start with making a talking part, and then I'll just probably wait, what? I'll probably just duplicate. And then where should we add this? Honestly, we can maybe even add it up here, since I mean some quest NPCs might be up here in the back right here, since we don't really have anything in the back right here. Let's also change the color so it's easier to see. Sure, brown works for now. And then yeah, that's basically that. Then we can name this, I'll name it for now. For now, just starter NPC. Since I mean, we'll change it later to an actual NPC after we make the model. But right now we'll just be making we'll just be making some of the functionality. That's what I was looking for. So here in the talking connection module, it should instantly talking connection module connect module. So if talk part, and then if talk part, we can check if talk part, we can just do else ifs to save space. Else if I'll transfer this here, then we connect shop, starter shop, and then I'll also add another else if talk part equals starter NPC. Music's kind of loud still, sorry for that, guys. So if it's a star NPC, then we can connect dialogue. We might have to remake a couple things. So here we have equipment function. Wait, what's the equipment function for? Oh, I think this is the shop. Yeah, this is just shop. So we have a shop, we have normal dialogue, and then we have builder turtle shop. This is just for that shop. Then we have close shop, update shop GUI. All right, we'll want to probably connect dialogue, and then next function. Yeah, we'll want to collect the dialogue. So connect the dialogue. And then we need camera C-frame, we need dialogue table, we need NPC, and we need next function for this. So we can make a camera by going to camera folder, and then we have Boulder Turtle camera. Then I'll make a new camera, call it starter NPC camera. And then I'll just place it right here. It's probably not gonna be facing the correct direction, but doesn't really matter right now. So I'll just do this. So we have starter NPC camera. And then camera folder dot starter NPC camera dot C-frame. And then we need dialogue table. We can make a new dialogue table inside of module scripts. Where is our dialogues? Where did we keep dialogues in? It's probably not in module scripts. Dialogues, and then we'll make a new thing for starter NPC dialogue. NPC. I'm typing wrong. Starter NPC dialogue. And then we probably wanna require it. Starter NPC dialogue require dialogues dot NPC dialogue. Oh wait, why am I typing dialogue? And then here we can input starter NPC dialogue, and then NPC. We can just name this starter NPC. And then next function, they want a next function. So here, the next function is builder turtle shop, right? But I need to connect a function that would fire over and make a quest over to the server. So right now, I'll just make a new local function quest ended talking, and then this will print. This gets the player. This is a finished talking. So then I'll just connect this function over. And then that should be it. It should work, the talking. Oh, I still need to add dialogue. I don't need nest not claimed. So let's see if it works. Something broke already. So NPC dialogue is not a member of. Did I type it wrong? I'll type 2 dialogues here. Wow. Okay, now it works. If I go up to here, it says starter NPC. Click on this. Of course, the camera is wrong. But unable to assign property text. String expected got nil. Wait, what? Talk from the talk button, the text equals dialogue table current text number. So why is this nil? So dialog table and then current text number, which is 1. And then it tries to write... Wait, what? Here it works though, doesn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be pretty confusing to work over with all this. So, for example, here, oh, it gives dialogue, and then it gives just the dialogue you wanna have. Oh, so I need to give it there, the dialogue, and then that's gonna work. Finish talking. Okay, I got it now how it works. So here I basically just need to give over the value that the quest is. Yeah, this is actually very good that I made this dialogue function. It's honestly pretty flexible. Like all you really need. It does the talking and then it connects the next function that you want it to connect. That's pretty great. Okay. So now that I have this dialogue working, we're gonna have to start working. Right, whenever he finishes the player finishes talking, is there a close dialogue function? Like, if dialogue current text number, like, doesn't it set the camera back to something? No, I think I'm gonna have to do that myself. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, well, now I think I need to start making values. I mean, we can just use 1 for now, as always, the quest we're gonna receive. But here, when quest ended talking, quest talking ended is probably a bit better. Quest talking. We're gonna have to figure out if the quest... Here we have to figure out if the quest is claimed. Might also want to send over extra. Oh my god. Almost made my mic fall again. Also, sorry for the squeaky chair as always. Sounds terrible. Well, let's just start making some things. I might want to end up opening BI just as a refresher, since I don't really know how to go next. I mean, I have to connect over. Even though not the BGI code, like, okay, I need to now just send over. I mean, BGI code was pretty great in terms of quests, since I've already remade it like 4 times. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna open it as a thing I can look at to take inspiration and where to go to next. Just as that. Not gonna copy it though. Oh my god. BGI code was pretty great. I remade it 4 times. yeah, I remade it 4 times and now it's great because I remade it 4 times. Doesn't that make sense? That must make some sense. Like, I remade the code a couple times and now it's great. Yeah, okay, I made the first quest thing when I didn't know coding that well. Then I made more, then I made better one, and better one. Until it just became great. Like, working on quests, pretty like to make a simple quest system, it's pretty alright. It doesn't require too much knowledge. But to make a more complex one, it's a bit more difficult. Like, okay, if I go over and if I go to here, right? If I go to here, okay, so after quest completed, I connect quest completed talk, which, you guys can even look at this code. 1 second. I don't mind showing the BGI code for this. Okay, it doesn't let me, does it? Oh yeah, this. Okay. This is the BGI quests code right here if you're interested. It's 400 lines long. So after the quest completed talk, so after this gets connected, quest completed talk, so it sees if, no, this is quest completed. So if the quest is completed, then it's gonna do that, right? That explorer is killing me. What explorer? Oh, this. Yeah, well, it's just, there's just a lot of random scripts. A lot of random scripts. Yeah, well, I need to, okay, this creates the quest GUI after the quest is already created. I need to find where, okay, quest not completed, no. All quests completed, no. Change talking text repeatable, no. Change talking text, that's for the talking text. So what gets connected after the change talking text is done? So quest completed talk or quest not completed talk. No, it does, it fires over to the server. That quest started event. So after the talking is done, it enables controls. Okay, I wanna enable all the controls and stuff. So I can, of course, do all of this. Set the camera. Oh, I don't have the camera. Wait, I can just get the camera like this. Set the camera back to normal since we finished talking. And then enable the controls, right? Controls enable. I'm also gonna need to get controls. Wait. Do I have controls here? I should have it somewhere. Yeah, I do. Enable controls so the player can move. That lets the player walk again. And then we just want to fire over to the server to create the quest. That's it. And then, yeah, the text talking frames visible equals false, but that should already be... yeah, talk frame visible false. So let's say if I talk now, it should, in theory, just do the talking and then close everything off. And why am I see-through? Whoa, guys, I'm a ghost. Oh wait, you guys can't see it. Here, I can show it again. I keep forgetting I need to change. So if we go here, let's starter NPC, you talk. I still need to rotate this. You do the talking, right? And then you just become a ghost. What's up? Hello, Leo. So yeah, I'm a ghost now, guys. I need to enable visibility. I need to find where I like to stream two feces. So let me find where I make the player see-through. That should just be in the normal. Where do I have this? I should also organize this already, but I'll do that next time. Where do I have? Which one is the one that connects? Talking, right? And then this controls. Oh, this cameras. Yeah, disables controls. Initiate talking frame. Player talking started event, and then talking connections to connect module. How do I make? Wait, where do I make the player see through? I'm just gonna look at transparency. Wait, what? That's close shop, right? So I should just take this and then paste that in here. Oh wow, I don't have the character. Let me get the character then. I can honestly make a function that just re-enables all the player things. Honestly, I'll make a function. Local function. Enable player walking. And then I'll just take all of these that sets the camera back. Does the controls. Then we get the player. Wait, this should be at the bottom. Right. Because we want to use it from everywhere. Hello, IRM. Welcome to the stream. And then we can just call enable. Wait. Does it have to be above? No. Enable. Wait, what? Why does it let me? It has to be above. I forgot. Okay, it has to be above. My brain is fried. Enable player walking, and then we send the player. And then I can do the same thing for enable player walking, where I do this, right? Yeah, we don't need this. Enable player walking. We don't need to set the camera. And we don't need the controls. We can just enable player walking. Where else do I get controls? I get them in the shop. For what reason exactly? Here, leave function. I don't... Wait, what? Do I not make the player see through? Okay, let me press play. Quest stream, yes. If I go ahead and let's just talk to this guy, right? I become see-through, and then I become not see-through. And then for this guy, do I become see-through? No, I do not become see-through. Because, okay, because I don't need to use the same function, right? And then that should be pretty great. I mean, I use enable player walking and then I save a lot of space. So this enables player walking. What else? Have you planned out the quests? No, not the quests, but I'm just making the main functions of the quest system right now. Is making yourself complete, invisible, or see-through better? Like, when talking to an NPC, I want the player to be able to see the NPC. And if the player covers the NPC, you can't see it. So I just make the player a little bit transparent. Since I guess that's kind of nice. Okay, let's go back to BGI code. What next do I do? So I set, I set camera back, set controls back, make the player be moving again, and then I send something or send an event over to server and do the create quest. Let's focus on sending the thing to the server. So if I go over to my server script service, not monetization scripts, I have it in main scripts, no, handlers. I know there's a lot of scripts in here. TTE made a lot of handlers. I mean, I also made some. If we go over to the quest one, where is the quest handler? Quest handler, found it. This is the quest things. So here, what thing did I fire? Quest started event. So we fire quest start event. So on the server, stealing code from your own game, lol. No, I'm just looking at the code as a reference, since it's actually made pretty decently, I'd say, functionally, not visually, but functionally, yeah. So here on the server, it sends something to the server, sends a event to the server to if it's repeatable, then quest value, wait, current quest, okay, quest completed, and then player quest stats, quest claimed, it does quest claim equals to true. That's like saying, sorry officer, I was looking at their credit card for reference. Yeah, that's kind of true. GTA 6 before BGI Temple. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be a lot more BGI updates. We are making a Halloween thing though. I should start working on that by now, I think. Which I think I will start working on that. So here, okay, what is this? What is quest value? I need to go over to any module scripts. No, I need the quest scripts. If I just go to Brown Panda, for example, so quest, wait, what was it? It was quest value. What is quest value? Wait, quest value was player.current quest or quest completed. And then it says, oh, quest value is the current quest you're on. So for example, quest number 5, right? Okay, I got it. So then player, then it just sets the quest completed value, quest claimed value to true. So I need to send over an event to the server, set a quest claim value to true, and then, okay, item 1 value needs to be reset. Oh my goodness. Then I need to, depending on how many quests there are, okay, I should work on the module, I think. Let's start working on the module. So if we go back to fish game, this is fish game. So this is starter NPC dialogue. First quest difficulty, collect 69 for 20 seaweed. So this is dialogue. And then under dialogue, I think I'm gonna have like later on just normal and then quest completed dialogue. So if I go over, and then I should just probably have the requirements under here too. It's probably just gonna be way more simple. Then I can just have them like this rather under here. Okay, what? I messed something up here. Let me delete everything. Can I go back? Let me go back. So I'll do this. I'll do 1 equals. Do I need to do 0? I think I need to do from 0. Yes. So then quest dialogue equals A B. Oh my god, I can't type. And C, and then quest finishing dialogue equals this, but with small letters. For example, and I get code when it doesn't work. Dumpster fire. Yeah, why do you have a sponsor about a mobile game? What do you mean? I don't choose the sponsors I have. Like, I don't choose the ads that play on my streams. I do not choose them. YouTube chooses them out. And then just quest requirements equals quest requirements. Leo thinks YouTubers are manually selecting their integrated ads. It showed me an ad that said sponsored. Well, I don't play any one ads. Like, I'm not sponsored by anyone. It's just normal YouTube ads. Okay, so in here, I want to have quest name, then we have, and then we need to do, okay, quest name equal, maybe I should just do quest info. Quest name equals the first quest. Then we have what else? Then we should start with requirements. So I get casually rambling about code. Try out the new best gaming browser, Opera GX. No, not the Opera GX ads. I see so many these days. Okay, then we have. Okay, what kind of things do we need? We need a requirement 1 name, requirement 1 value. Okay, requirement name 1 equals collected seagrass. Requirement value 1 equals collected seagrass. like this. And then we have requirement reset one. Reset one equals false. So, wait, no, true. Wait, right? True. And then we can just do. Then we want like a value that is like. Yeah, if it's gonna be true, then we're gonna put NPC name goes here, value, as in value is gonna be like this, collected seagrass, right? So if it's true in code, we're gonna put that value in front. And then what else do I need? I need an amount, requirement one amount. Requirement amount 1 equals, let's do 20 to test. And then I think I'll just do requirement amount, just amounts. Wait, like how many requirements? Requirement amount. Equals is gonna be 2, right? And then we can do one for coral. Just to test requirement 2s. Wait, right? Oh my god, why do I keep typing 3? And then collected orange coral. All right, and then collected orange coral. Reset equals true, and then requirement amount, I can just do 5. Requirements, I probably just requirements equal 2. That's gonna be way more simple. Okay. Guys, if 5 divided 5 plus 5 is 6, why is 5 plus 5 divided 5 2? You're using a bad calculator then, since division goes first. It should always be 6. You're just using a bad calculator. Because 10 divided 5 is 2. No, but division goes first. I got scammed, bro. Okay, so this is the quest info. Right, we don't need this anymore. So this is great. We have that going for us. Now, based on this, we need to send over an event. Events. I also need to organize my events. Look at these events. Like, honestly, these are not that great, I could say. We might want to do like a full-on stream for like organizing. At least a lot of the stream we might want to organize soon. Maybe I'll do one this week for like just organizing stuff, since it's pretty important. Y'all for real arguing over a second grade math? Actually, it's like more like a 4th grade math, I think. I think you only like start learning division at like multiplication at division probably on grade 3, maybe even 4. I've learned it in 2nd grade. I think I started learning like multiplication in 3rd grade. And then division maybe 4th? I don't know. I think it was a more complex multiplication in 4th. I don't remember. You know, that was already like 6 years ago. How am I supposed to remember? Okay, let's make a new event. So, mode event, quest claimed event. Ukrainian schools are just built different. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Now, if I go over to here, I need to get... Okay, do I have events? Okay, I should just get events. As in local events equals replicator storage dot events. Since I'm gonna be using some events. So events dot quest claimed event fire server. And then do I fire anything as in info? Yes, I fire the quest name of the quest of the thing I'm talking to. Right, I need to receive over the NPC I'm talking to. I probably want to receive talk part or NPC name or something like that. I want to send over. What are you guys talking about? Clash Royale? Clash Royale ad? I used to play Clash Royale, but I think I only played for like a couple weeks and then stopped. That game is pretty pay to win, I'd say. At least how I remember it being. Never was a big fan of that game though. Okay, so we want to send over the current NPC we're talking to. Even though sending over the dialogue would just kind of be enough, because then we can... Nah. Okay, we can just send over the NPC. So here we can give over... starter... NPC. I mean, how do I have... Yeah, probably just start NPC. And then here in quest and dialogue, I want to get extra function info. And I just send over extra function info. And then I receive NPC and just NPC probably. Chat as well. They're just talking about Clash Royale, I think. How long are you streaming today? I don't know. At least a couple more hours. Like, I got a bunch of time today. I want to get a bunch of stuff done. Okay. So here we get NPC and then we can just send over NPC to the server. Now, on the server, I want to create a new script that will receive. So I'm just going to make a new script that will be to do with quests. Quest handler, we can call it. And then here it's just gonna receive the event we send over. Plus Nugget is 14. Leo, I'm actually 15. My birthday was like a month ago. Okay, 2 months ago now. Yeah, it was 2 months ago by now. Okay, never mind. Yeah, it was 2 months ago. Time flies by quick. Way faster than I expected. I can't be bothered to model my UGC hood. What should I do? Well, if you don't want to model it, then just don't model it. You shouldn't force yourself to do things you don't want to. You should only do things that you kind of enjoy. Happy late birthday. It's been 2 months. Why does bro make UGC? Probably just to earn extra money. I mean, it's a good way to like learn to make models, hats, whatever. Also makes you money. 2 months later. Okay, well, didn't you have a birthday stream this year and said you were 14? I did have a birthday stream and I said I was 15, no? Hot Leo. That's good advice, but like, it will look super cute. Haven't got any UGC up to it, but it does make a lot of money. Yeah, well, you should maybe just take a break if you don't want to work on it right now. Maybe you'll get more motivation tomorrow, for example, or maybe even less motivation because tomorrow is Monday. And I hate Mondays. Well, but hopefully it goes well. Alright, now I gotta receive local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage local events equal replicated storage dot events dot quest claimed event, and then the on server event connect function. Then we get the player and we get the NPC. Hello Australia has money as a public holiday because the king's birthday or something. Oh, Monday? Oh my god, I read it wrong. Monday has a public holiday because the king's birthday or something. Like tomorrow? Bruh. I'm flying over to Sydney on Thursday, so I get to skip Friday school. Damn. Good for you. Yeah, I'm going to the dentist tomorrow, so wish me luck. But yeah, I can't skip any classes because of that. Unfortunate. Okay. So now, on the server, I need to start getting values, right? So, just eat dirty stuff and get a fever to skip the whole week. But yeah, then I won't be able to stream. You know, and you go to school for a reason, to like learn things, maybe to even socialize a little bit. You know, right now I'm just kind of speaking to messages. Sometimes can get pretty lonely, but at least it's something. Okay, well, I need to get values over to the values. I need to make values on the server, not just the client. So in default profile, where all the player information is stored, I'm gonna wanna make a new probably a new table. Quests equals this, which I'm probably just gonna, yeah, this probably is gonna work because then I won't need to make a lot of values. I think this will just be a way more easy to do. I'll probably put after fish though. I like organization. Oh, I deleted that. Okay. So now I need to get player profiles. Why do I not have a single other server script open? Profiles. We learn crap that we won't use on a daily basis. Yeah, that is true, Leo. At least like 5% of the things we learn is gonna be useful. Though, yeah. Roblox helping socialize more than school. Pretty like skipping school is just skipping your future. We are referred to as messages. Well, what else are you guys? We should be called Nuggies, Dino Nuggies. I've never had Dino Nuggies. Fun fact, I don't actually like to eat nuggets. Whoa, crazy. I think I've said that before. Yeah, whenever I go to McDonald's, I just get a burger. No nuggets. Right. Well, we get profiles. So now we wanna set. Well, okay, we gotta figure out how I wanna keep the info of the quest. So of course we can use the quest name, the like NPC names, but where do I set the NPC names? Probably kind of like this, so we can go and then info equals another table, and then info, and then we have NPC name equals starter NPC, right? I can't have spaces. So I'm probably gonna have it like this. Okay, start NPC, and then we have what else? What other info do we need? I mean, later on we can have values like repeatable quests, is it true or false? And then we can have things like what kind of info do I store in here? I think I store the values, even though I don't need to store the values. Yeah, I have quest completed, quest claimed, but I don't need these values anymore since I'm gonna be using a different way to store. So I'm gonna be using NPC name, so I probably don't need info. I can just have it like this. NPC name equals starter NPC. This is where all the info will be saved to. So if I go to okay, now I need to here receive the NPC that, let's say, I am trying to claim the quest of. So we have this. I might as well just receive the NPC name here, because We're gonna have the news reporter from SpongeBob as an NPC. What? NPC name. So we have the NPC name, and then we go if NPC name, no, if profiles dot, what's the player dot data dot quests, and then we go like this, NPC name dot dot quest claimed equals false. Then we make this to true, right? True. True. Can I see your game like map? There is currently no map. Well, I'm working on the functional stuff. This is all there is. You can watch the recaps if you want to see like what everything that there is into the game. But right now I'm just working on functional things, so I'm working on quests. I mean, I can hit play, it's gonna break a bunch. I'm working on quests right now. But yeah, I mean, this is all there really is right now. Collection system is done. Yeah, fish. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, stuff it, and I'm gonna go make super cute kawaii hoodie. All right, Francis, good luck with that. GTA 6 before Fish Game releases? Nah, Leo. I can tell you, Fish Game will release faster than GTA 6. Trust me. This just equals to true. So then that means it's okay. We gotta send over NPC name. So I think here I just wanna for real. As extra info, I can just, instead of sending the star NPC, I should just send star NPC dialogue dot NPC name. So then that sends it as extra info. And then here we can receive this as NPC name, and then we just send over NPC name here. Like yeah, Bosh. No, next eclipse happening before Fish Game release. Okay, when is the next eclipse? When is the next eclipse? It's gonna be on October 2nd. Of course, Fish Game won't release until October 2nd. I was just checking if you're ignoring me. No, I'm not. Oh, you said GTA 6 before Cube Rancher releases. Maybe. Jesus returning before Fish Game releases. Nah, Fish Game gonna release kinda soon. Maybe. Let's hope. Well, here we get the NPC name. And then right, and then we need to check. Okay, we need to, based on, now we need to, okay, what else do I need to do here? And on the server, we set the value, quest claim value to true, right? And then we have to set over all the reset values to 0. So I need to go, oh, I need the I need the module script. How do I get the module? The table.find. Oh, and here I have all the module scripts as a table. And then... Okay, I'm just gonna send over, instead of sending NPC name, I'm gonna send NPC index. So... and I can save stuff as the NPC index, right? No, so I'm gonna get the module, local NPC in module equals, okay, I'm in here, I'm gonna get local NPC modules with an S equals a table, and then I'm just gonna have them all in a row be the tables. So instead of just doing dialogues, I'm gonna in dialogues I'm gonna create a new folder, quest stuff, quest modules, and then start NPC, just start NPC, and then in here I need to get starter NPC .dialogues .quest modules .starter NPC, and then here I should set the starter NPC 1 since the first, then starter NPC, and then here I can also send the NPC index. So in here I'm also gonna start keeping NPC index as a value, and then this can be number 1, and I'll store that up here since that's more important. Imagine actually he was ignoring the lol. No, I don't like ignoring people. I know the feeling of getting ignored myself. I don't want to give that feeling to anyone else. I'm not intentionally ignoring anyone. If I don't read your message, that just means I 1 missed it, or 2 I'm just doing something else. Like I try to read all the messages. Okay, so now here I'm gonna want to get all the modules, so local starter NPC equals okay, quest modules. I'm gonna want to get quest modules as a thing. Local modules. Who uses these emojis, bro? I don't know. I might just be able to keep these as like 1, quest modules as like 1, and then I don't need that. Wait, quest modules equals replicator storage dialogues quest modules. And then I don't need to do this, right? Now, can't I just do NPC? Can I just do NPC module quest modules, and then I get NPC index, and then NPC module .name. Even though I should probably save it as NPC index. Yeah, that probably is gonna work way better. then keeping that like that. I don't need talking right now. Close that. Like a therapy session with his messages. Oh my god, Irem. I just gave a example. I know you are people behind the messages. There's always a person behind every single message. But yeah, it's not me talking to a person voice to voice, if you know what I mean. I still enjoy talking to someone, even if it is a person behind a message. I have no more water. Okay. And here I can send, instead of NPC index, I need to send NPC dot. Is there dot index? NPC index. NPC index. Yeah, star NPC doesn't exist anymore. Wait. Okay, I need to just get local quest. Wait. Local quest modules equals storage dot dialogues dot quest modules, and then quest modules 1, and then local module equals quest modules dot. I'm just gonna do NPC info quest modules 1 dot, and then we can do NPC info. Oh wait, we can do require, since we want to require NPC, then NPC info 1 NPC info dot. Is this gonna work? My damn script doesn't work. Why the hell doesn't the tween? I have no idea. You do play the tween. Maybe if it's a part, maybe it's like anchored or something, you know? Or is it GUI tweening? The NPC index. We get the NPC index, we send over the NPC index, and then NPC index, and then we give over the NPC index. It's a number value tweening. Ah. You sure you're tweening the value of the number? You probably are. I don't think you would miss such a stupid thing that I usually miss. Okay, let's click play and see if it errors. Yeah, something did error. Attempt nearest nil with number. Okay, so we got nothing. So apparently, NPC info quest modules 1 doesn't work. Okay, can you require something later? Can you require a script in the middle of like, wait, if okay, I think I'm calling a number here. That's why it's not working. I think I'm supposed to do string dot, wait, how do you convert to a string? Math.string is No, why am I doing math? It's not math. 2 string, oh my god. Then 1. If I convert 1 to a string, is it gonna work now? No. Don't know if number. Yeah, it like just doesn't wanna. I'm gonna kick some kids' ass. Means donkey. It's not a swear, so don't deserve for timer. I'm leaving anyways, lol. Okay, Iram, thanks for joining in. I appreciate it. Okay. So this is supposed to require quest modules. Oh, I should do find first child. No. No, it didn't work. Okay, why doesn't it work? Isn't quest modules dot one a thing? Yeah, quest modules 1 is a thing. Then why doesn't find 2 string 1? Wait, can I just do 1 as a string? Is this gonna work? Oh, I think it did work. Yeah, okay, never mind. What? Oh wait, what? Dialogue. What is broken here? If I remove this, the error is gone. Wait, no, is it? Oh no, yeah. Then that starts erroring. So something in here is broken, huh? Wait, what? Okay, so this is number quest dialogue. Expected that got dialogue. Oh, yeah, okay, found it. Temp tech to index nil with number. What? NPC info dot. Yeah, it does work. Print NPC info 1, please. Doesn't it work? Nil. Why is 1 nil? What do you mean that's nil? Oh, because it's 0. It's supposed to be 0, right? Because the first quest is 0. I see why it's erroring now. Time him out in the server for saying booty. Whoa. Am I really gonna time Iram out? I think he did say it on purpose though. Unable to assign property text string expected got nil. Whoa, right, because I need to do quest dialogue. 1 dot quest dialogue. Quest dialogue. Yay, finally talking worked. Finish talking. Let me rotate the camera, it's starting to annoy me. Fixed it? What was the issue? I am interested now. What ended up being the issue? Simply removed a completely unrelated piece of code and it worked? Okay, that's weird if it's unrelated. Halloween before quests. Oh, okay, finish talking. That connected. So, okay, now it's working. NPC module, NPC index. Then that easy. That's easy how to get those modules. So info. And now we gotta reset the values of things that I need to reset. So profiles, player. Okay, I need to check if NPC module dot. Okay, I need to get the current quest. So wait, I go NPC module. Now I need to check if this value, and then I get NPC index dot and then I go to NPC module dot, I go to current quest, so I need to go this dot, okay, NPC module. Oh wait, because I need to require it. 1 second. Here, I need to do this. Then I go NPC index. And then NPC info. Info dot. And I need to get the value that is quest completed. Okay, does this work? NPC. Then I need to go to like that, and then profiles, player data, the quests completed, the current quest I should probably go to, right? Or no, quest completed. Quests completed. Oh my god, this is so much. Okay, quest completed. And then I'm just gonna get local quests completed equals quests completed, and then I go to dot quest info. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Quest info. And then I need to go through all the requirements though. So for I equals 1. And then this. And then I need to go through the amount of quests completed The quest info, so literally all of this. Dot. What is this? No, I don't need to go through the player here. I just need to go through NPC info dot quest completed and then quest info dot requirements do. It goes through all the requirements. And then if profiles player dot data dot quest, so if quest info dot requirement reset 1 requirement reset dot I. Wait, I just need to check. Yeah, I just need to check if NPC info. So I just need to do this. If this equals to true, then I need to reset it. So and then I need to get the value to reset, which is requirement value, and then I go through here. And I also do this. And then I do this. Wait, what? Do dot. What's wrong? Okay. Equals to 0. So inside of the quests, it looks for NPC index, and then this gets the requirement value, and then it equals that value. Okay, I think I'm done. This was pretty complex, but I think this should set the values to 0 if the requirement reset is true. PV, you're the only one here for Nugget. Thank you, Francias. By the way, Baj, Francis asked you a question. I'm gonna go get more water, then we can continue on more functional side. So yeah, I'll BRB. I'll get more water. BRB. Alright guys, I'm back. I got more water, yay! Yay! More water! Making a backpack. Physics right now, what's backpack? Slime rancher gun thing, backpack. How the hell am I supposed to describe a futuristic fictional tool that uses technologies that doesn't exist in real life? I mean, you can tell him to search on Google Slime Rancher backpack, since probably some images there. All right. Okay, let's see if it does an error. Hopefully it doesn't. If I do, yeah, it doesn't. No errors. Great. I'm like, can I be a tester, please, for this game? Everyone will be a tester when testing opens. I might be doing testing on day 50. Not sure though. Game's even in alpha, yeah, and Broke wants to be a tester. I mean, a lot of people want to be a tester already. But yeah, I understand that. Maybe if I get to day 50, when I get to day 50, I'll see if like I have enough testing to have to be done. Even though we are on day 47, is it right? I think it's day 47. I already forgot, but yeah, I think it's day 47. So yeah, only like 3 more days. Not much progress can be done. We'll see. I want to definitely try to get quests maybe finished today or next stream. So I better get to work. Alright, now that we have all the server side claiming done. So this is all the server side claiming I need. Now I need to create the quest GUI on the client. So, talking connections here. Like once you hit day 49, you should be then working on the shop for more tools and things. Yeah, but some other things might still be more important than more tools, like fish abilities. I want to really focus on fish abilities, but I just don't have the ideas, you know. Like, what do I do for angelfish? I have like an angelfish ability idea for something to do with like blessings, and then the angelfish could be like a support fish which supports like other fish, if you kind of know what I mean. I had that idea in mind, since the angelfish is gonna be like more like a legendary. I also need I also am gonna have to start working on pufferfish. I really don't want to work on pufferfish, but pufferfish is gonna take a while to work on, so I want to work on other things first. And maybe a new fish type soon, maybe even. Angelfish should have a chance to spawn a halo on the padlock, which will increase the like reach on seaweed. I think angelfish doesn't have to do something with a halo, you know. Angelfish, I mean, there's more to angels than just a halo, you know. Like, there's a lot of things you can think up, but something that would fit the game is something that I want. Alright, let's continue working on this quest system. So, we have a quest claimed event. Now we want to make a thing that makes a GUI. Biblically accurate angelfish. So on BGI, next up I call a function create quest, which does a whole lot of things. So I'm also gonna make a function that is create quest and maybe make it a bit better. So local function create quest, then I can call create quest, and then what kind of info do I need to send over? I don't need the sprint anymore. Okay, let's just start working and see what kind of things we're gonna need. So, first of all, I need to find, if not quest scrolling frame, find first child. So if the quest for that NPC doesn't exist already, I'll probably just use NPC index. So I think I definitely need to send NPC index over, since that's how I'll get the quest and stuff. And we gotta also send the player, of course. Player NPC index. There's just little flies flying around me. I hate it. Well, now we gotta check. Okay, let me first of all get the GUI that we're gonna need for this. So let's open up. We have Quest GUI as a thing. So I'll just probably get, like, do I have GUI things already? Oh my god, where did this fly come from? I haven't seen him like at all today, and now he just appeared out of nowhere. So NPC GUI, wait, what? Yeah, NPC GUI. Player GUI, I get player GUI, I get NPC GUI. So I should do the same thing for create quest. And then I get quest GUI instead of NPC GUI. Quest GUI. And then I need to check inside of quest frame, inside of this, and then wait, fish ability scrolling frame. Wait, what? Did I not rename it? Wait, let me move this over. Wait, what? How do I move this forward again? Right. Okay, we got it here. So it goes quest frame dot quest frame. Okay, never mind. Okay, quest frame, frame background. Then we go to quest frame. This is probably gonna start erroring for me since I renamed that. Stuff. So let me cut this. Quest frame background. The quest frame background. Took me 5 hours to make a feature that 98% of players won't even notice for nor appreciate. Well, what's the feature? Is it the backpack thing? Something to do with backpack? I'm gonna be that 2% of players that is gonna notice. So I'll rename this to quest scrolling frame. And then go here. If I'm just gonna get the quest scrolling frame, local quest scrolling frame equals quest. Wait, do I not have quest? Oh, you're right. Okay. Quest. Backpack wobbling when you're walking or standing still. or move the camera, etc. That required a lot of maths. Yeah, but that's still gonna add like a lot to the game, I feel like. Gonna end up being pretty like important to overall, like players won't notice, but it'll feel like it's there, you know. If you kind of understand. Okay, so quest frame background. The quest frame. The quest scrolling frame. And then I zone out. What did I miss? Nothing really. If not quest scrolling frame. Find first child. That's like background effects and animation. No one notices them until they're gone and the animation becomes bland. Yeah, exactly. But it's a thing that developers need to add. If not quest colon frame, okay, and then NPC index. Then if the quest does not exist, then we why do I make it task.wait 0.1 seconds? Oh, that's probably because they wait for the values to finish. I should just do it whenever this returns true and make that into a function. Right, okay. I'll do that right now then. It's probably gonna be a bit better. Well, wait, let's quest claim them. I'm just gonna make new function, remote function. Remove quest claim element. Quest claimed function, and then quest claimed function invoke server npc index, and then if I go here, function events dot quest claimed function dot on server invoke. Wait, how is it? How's the invoking again? Like this? I think it's like that. Oh wait, I forgot to receive these two things. And then I'll return true. I should also check if oh wait, I do check it. Never mind, I do check it. Should only return it here. Return true. And then here, local. If successful, if successful, then create. All right, great. Then it creates that. And then we continue working on this create quest thing. So here, okay, now is the complex stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, what am I looking at? So it does like item 1. What is this? It finds item 1. If value name module quest. So it gets the item 1. Right. So it gets the value of the first item here. I don't need to do this. Then it goes a new quest UI. And then it does double quest UI or normal quest UI. So now it should be pretty simple. I should be able to just create the quest UI. So local new quest UI equals, I should also just replicator storage dot copy UI, and then I'm gonna make a new folder with all of this UI. With all of this. These, I need to rename them. So I'm just gonna name this 1 probably, then this 2, then this 3. Then in here in copy UI, I'm gonna make a new folder called quest UI. And then put these 3 in there. Right. And then based on these 3, quest UIs, new quest UI, copy UI, dot quest UI, and then I get the thing. Okay, now I need to get the module, which I should be able to just do this to get NPC info. Create quest, and then I do. This should get the NPC info. And then I go NPC info dot. And then I need to get the current quest the player is on, which I can do by okay, this is actually quest completed by doing this. I also need to get profiles. Oh no, I'm gonna have to send over event to get it. I'm gonna work on a map layout. Okay, Francis. I mean, you can try to think something up. I might take inspiration or something. I'm not, of course, just gonna one-on-one copy it though. So I need to get the quest completed value. How much he has completed. So I need to get, okay. So if I go to replicator storage dom, because this is client, right? If I go to I should have events already here, right? Events dot, how's it? Request data. And then fire, no, invoke server dot quests NPC index. So quest completed. I suggest a simulator type layout because then you can have, it feels easier, and also progress most generally. So it's less of a beast form copy. I don't want the Pet Simulator 99 kind of map, you know. I want more of a beast form type, like, I'm basically thinking you're on an island and then everywhere around you, you can go down into like underwater area. And then, you know, it just expands a ton. Make it a simulator so it's not a Beast Swarm simulator copy. Genius! Oh my god. Exactly. Okay, I got music back up. Well, that's nice. Yeah, well, that's just an idea I had. Like, I already haven't, like, this is an island, you know, and then you can go down into all sides. That's already what I kind of have made, but of course, it's not detailed. Since I'm not working on the map yet, I need main functions done. Okay, why is music kind of loud, though? Okay, so if I go here, this gets quest completed, right? And then local new quest UI, upgrade copy UI, quest UI, NPC info. Alright, my mom came into the room, so I couldn't talk for a second. Alright, 1 second, I need to send one thing. Alright. Alright. I'm ready now to continue working. So, and then new quest UI, we get quest completed. Okay, NPC info, quest completed dot quest info dot requirements. So how many there are, and then we want to set all of this stuff. Right. So here I set the name. Okay, we can start new quest UI dot name equals NPC index. Just NPC index. And then new quest UI We also want to set the parent and then all the labels. New quest UI dot parent equals to quest scrolling frame. Exactly, thank you. And then what other things do I need to set? So I would need to set the quest. Wait, quest text. One second, let me get these back up in here. You want to set quest. Okay, quest name. I'll name this quest name. I need to rename all of these now. Alright, quest name. So then we gotta set the quest name of everything. So new quest UI dot quest frame background dot quest name dot text equals, then we can go, where would this be in? NPC info dot NPC name. Alright, that's great. And then what other things do I need to set? That's, I think, it for that info. Now for the requirement info. So I'm gonna go for I equals 1, and then go until requirements do. So this goes through all the requirements. So if there's 2, if there's 3, if there's 10 even, this is gonna go through all of them. And here I really mess up in my BGI code because I don't know, it's just all so confusing. I have no idea what I even do here. Like, what is this? Like, literally, okay. I call a bunch of change quest stats, which is even longer code. Like, literally, I don't know why I didn't make this code a bit smaller, like more organized. Because, like, it's literally like 100 lines of changing values. Like, one second, I'll show you guys. Like, what is this? This is all to change quest stats. Like, this was what I did. I already did this on my end. So, what is this? This is just to change quest stats, right? Calls that. It calls this, which apparently changes quest stats. Which, yes, I'm definitely gonna go through all of this code and to. Yeah, well, yeah. BI code is not terrible. Well, it's functional. And if it's functional, you don't need to fix it. But right now, I'm adding it as a new. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to make it a lot better for Fish Game. So when going through all the requirements, I need to set the values, right? I'm gonna make a new local function. Local function update stats. Update requirements, right? Update requirements. Discord, 1 second. Okay. It's functional. Oh my god. If number equals 1, return false. If 2. Wait, this is checking just for like odd numbers, right? Wait. Even and odd numbers. There has to be a way to make this better, of course. Whoa. It's functional, of course. Okay, well, now I'm gonna wanna run update requirements with, okay, so we gotta go through every single requirement. You guys still see this BI code. Let me change it back to fish game. And so I need to go through every single requirement, change the length of the lines of those lines, and change what they say. That doesn't sound like 100 lines worth of code, but apparently in BI that does. Well, let's see what this at least does. I'm gonna try to read it. So if new quest UI, of course, it checks if it still exists. I should do that too. So if new quest UI, so if this still exists, so now we don't get errors. It sees if it gets the quest value. Right, and then it gets the item value. And then it basically, okay. All I really need to do is set those two things. So here I want to receive the values that we're gonna want to change. So I'm gonna receive the requirement to change. So wait, I want to receive the requirement value, right? Value. So this is gonna go through the requirements. Oh my goodness, okay. I'm getting kind of confused here. How can I make this work good? Okay, first of all, let me try to just connect update requirements whenever it changes. So in BigEI, how I make it to do whenever it changes, I basically get a changed event, and then I just connect changed quest stats. And then when it's destroying, I disable it, right? That's what I do for both of those. Okay, so that's what I do for that. So in here, how can I get whenever the value changes? In Fish Game, to get when a value changes, I need to send it from the server to the client, which is way easier said than done. So I think I'm gonna have to get some things on the server that are gonna... What's going on? I'm trying to think of a way that I could update the values from the server. Like I send, okay. Basically I need to get whenever the values change on the server and send an event to the client to change them. This is where the hard part comes in. This is my server script. Instead of just returning true, I can already send over the current info to update. And then I think whenever inventory changed event gets called, I think I'm also gonna try to update quest things. Right? Yeah, I can probably also just... I think I have an idea. I can maybe just use the main one when what I use to update inventory. I can just use that to update quests too. So if I go over to, I need to now open my script. The one where I have one was the changed UI, right? So here I don't want to do code in here though, since this is all about that inventory part. So unreliable events, update inventory. Whenever this gets called update inventory, I can instead of just running update seagrass, right? Instead of just updating the inventory, I can also at the same time update the quests. Because either way, even though no, this just sends items to update. Yeah. I can send a different event then. Yeah. Update quests. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's a way better idea. So if I go over to events, go to instead to unreliable events. Okay, where's my unreliable events? And then I can just do update quests. And then just call this, which will send it over to here, over to quest stuff. Yeah, I guess I'll just receive it here in quest stuff and update the values here accordingly. Okay, let me first of all, okay, I can do I have replicated storage? I do not. Replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage. Okay, then replicated storage dot events, no, dot unreliable events dot update quests fire, no, the on client event connect a function, and then let me head over to my normal update. Okay, so that should be in here, data features, right? Let me also start resetting values. So let's say, yeah, I call observable elements update inventory, but instead of just doing that, okay, I officially know how you can do the island thing. Okay, you can send it to me on Discord. Okay, honestly, I can just do this. Replicate storage, I don't know about Benthans, update quests, and then fire client player, and then I get profiles.data.quests. Quests. I've also made a like sand pattern thing. It's confusing. I'll explain it in the DMs. All right. So this should send over quests to update quests, which is here. Here, I mean, update quest and then quest info. Quest info. And then here, I can update all the values accordingly. So I shouldn't worry about updating the values. I should only worry about updating them once. So whenever I call this successful, I can just do quest info. Quest stats, rather. Stats. And then I can do NPC index and then quest stats. Create quest NPC and oh, I need to send the player too. Right, I can get the quest stats like that. And then here, I send over quest stats. Then I don't need to invoke this to get quest stats. I can just do quest stats and do that, which speeds up a lot of process. And then when returning true, I can just return the quests. And then I can update them here once. So instead of just doing that, I can just do it here, I think. So new, okay, so to update those values now, I can let me set this back actually. Okay, and to set the requirements back, okay, I need to set new quest UI. How do I have them named? If I go here, copy UI, quest UI 1. The quest frame background. The quest frame. The quest requirement, and then quest requirement frame .i. And then .quest requirement bar quests text. No, how is this gonna be called? Quest value, quest value, quest text maybe instead of quest text. Quest value, maybe quest value text. Yeah, that's the best. Okay, now I need to rename all of them to this. And then there's 3 for the triple one. They need renaming. Alright, and that's great. Then it's called quest value text. I'm going on the second one. And right here, .quest value text .text equals to, so now we set the text, which is in Big EI, I set it to, okay, abbreviate number. Okay, oh my god, this is so long. So, all right, I need the value. So, it's good that I have quest stats because that's gonna be useful. I go quest stats. Okay, I might just try to do this like local quest value. I don't know. Like I should be able to do quest stats dot quest stats and then do this and then NPC index. Do I base it off NPC index or do I base it off, I think I do base it off NPC index, not the NPC name. Do I always do that though? Okay. Got already been streaming for 2.5 hours. Oh, pretty crazy, I know. Quest stats on NPC index. And then dot, and then we go quests. Quest completed, or well, we need to get the value, right? I'll hop for now. All right, Francis, good stream though. Big W. All right, thank you for joining in. See ya. Have a great rest of your day. Can't wait for day 50. Oh my god. All right. Now, if I need to get the value, I'm just gonna do. I'm gonna do all of this, so it's simple for later. Day 48 before GTA 6. No, I'll probably end up doing day 48 on Tuesday. Yeah. Surely before GTA 6. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm already kind of tired, but I'm gonna keep pushing since this this shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. Okay, I guess I won't use that. It's just long values that I need to think of how it would work. So for quest stats, so I go inside of the quest stats, and then I need to look for NPC index dot quest requirement, right? And then I need to look for this name, which this name is gonna be inside of NPC info, okay, NPC info, quest completed, dot quest info dot requirements. I should just get the quest info. Okay, wait, no. Dot requirements value. Wait, okay, which one is that? Requirement value? Yeah, requirement value dot I. Okay, so that gets us the value, right? I need to do some variables. I can't have this long code. Don't I have quest info? I should probably. Quest info. I'm just gonna do quest info and then do quest stats, quest completed, and then I'll just do this instead of this. And then I can remove the front of all of these, which that shortens the code a lot. Quest info, right? The requirement value. The requirement value dot I. Right. This gets that value, and then I need to do quest info dot requirement amount dot I. I'll put these in brackets probably. No, I don't need to. Okay. So I'm just gonna do requirement. Okay, just current value current number equals, I'm gonna do this and then put this current number and then local requirement number equals this. Then I do this. All right, then that shortens the code a lot. Then out of that, then I do another space, and then I put local requirement name equals quest info requirement name .i. All right, that's all for that value. Then next up we have to do the progress bar. So I'm just gonna copy this line from BigEI. So we get the quest progress bar by going to here, quest requirement bar dot quest progress bar, right? And then between the size from current value, I think that is current number divided by requirement number. That's it. All right, that should be the setting of the numbers done, and now I just need to update them whenever this gets called in quest stuff, which is easier said than done once again, since updating this will be pretty difficult. So here I get the quest stats, and now I'm gonna wanna keep sure that I have the quest scrolling frame. I do have quest UI. And just do this quest scrolling frame. So now I'm gonna wanna go through the scrolling frame for quest UI in pairs, quest scrolling frame get children. Do this goes through the through the scrolling frame. Now based on that, I'm gonna have to run this, but to get these values is gonna be way more difficult. So I need to get, first of all, quest info, and then if I get quest info, that's basically it. So now, how can I get quest info? I know quest index is based on the name of the quest UI, so I should be able to just a second, let me unselect that. Should be able to just get NPC info. NPC info equals quest modules. Now I need to get quest modules. Quest modules, and then find first child, and I'm gonna want to get quest UI dot name, and then can do that, and then quest info is gonna be just where quest info. The NPC index I can get by doing by going quest UI dot name. Right, and then that's it, maybe? Fingers crossed, that should be... Oh my god, alright. Error, yay. Now is the testing process. Okay, quest frame is not a valid member of... What? Alright, because I renamed it to... What did I rename it to? I'm gonna need more water. There's no more water. Let's see what Francia sent me. Okay, so basically you can use this texture and like remove flat seams between slopes, and then the same thing super steep with an island on top. Yeah, but I need to somehow keep the pixelated cubic style, which I don't think that might work. Okay, quest frame so what did I rename it? Quest frame background, right? Inside here we get, oh wait, quest frame background, quest frame, what do you mean? Quest UI, quest frame background, the quests, oh I missed an S, quests frame. Right, okay, now that's gonna work. Set to call require with invalid arguments. What? What do you mean? Attempted to call invalid arguments. So it's right here that it's erroring on. There should be nothing in the quest scrolling frame. Print quest, wait, just quest UI. Oh, I need to check if UI list layout. If it isn't UI list layout, then if quest UI is a frame, then right now I talk, and now it didn't create the quest. Wow, okay. And why did it not create the quest? Print a Just print 1 rather. Print 2. Does it get past that? It doesn't even print 1. Wait, what? Oh, I think I never call it. I'm pretty sure I never call create quest. I do call create quest. Oh wait, then this maybe just never returns. I mean, it should return. Oh, this returns as nil because profiles player data quest claimed equals false, or I can do or equals nil. That means it doesn't exist yet. So now it's gonna work. Yes, it did. And we got more errors. Yay! Okay, so for I'm seeing focused. This error. So attempting nil with quest info. And why is quest info nil? NPC info. The quest completed. Let me try to print quests. Oh, because quest completed is also going to be nil since those values aren't set yet. Oh, yeah, that's going to be a problem. I think I have to do some kind of script that if when the player joins, it makes those values into 0. So I think I'm just gonna add them to like over here, like 2 data features, that whenever the player joins, if quest values is nil, I gotta do it like a bit above. So I need to check for kind of need to go through every single quest NPC. Right. So that should be able to quest modules. If I just go through all quest modules, I should be able to do that. For I quest module in pairs get children do. Then I need to go through all the values. So I need to look if, let's say this equals nil, we set it to 0. If quest module dot NPC index equals nil, then we set it to we set it to 0. And then the same thing for quest claimed. If quest claimed is nil, then set quest claimed to false. So then in here, I don't even need this line. And now it should work. Oh, something errored. NPC index not a valid member of quest modules 1. How do I call it then? Just, what do you mean NPC index isn't a valid member? Oh, because I need to require it. Let me go ahead and require it then. So let me do this then. Now maybe it's gonna work because I required it. Alright, something else errored. Not on the server, which is a lot better. Alright, this errored. Quest scrolling frame. Yeah, the same quests frame. Same mistake. Quest name is not a valid member. Oh wow, great. Don't need to print these anymore. Right. What line is this quest name on? We want quest scrolling frame. The quest frame background. What even line is that? 290. Wait, what? Quest info, the requirements. How is 9290 erroring? It's not. Oh, because I removed two things. I think it's a different line erroring then. Yeah. Yeah, it's now 288 that is erroring. So, yeah, quest name. Okay, I see it now. That's what's erroring. Okay, how is that called then? Go to storage UI, quest UI, go here. No, it's not going to be in here. It's going to be in copy UI. Quest UI here. So it's under quest frame background. Quest's name. No, I don't have the S there, please. Quest name. Right, should be fixed now. Time that to concert an ill with number. What now? Current number doesn't exist? What? We only move like 2 lines. And another error. Quest NPC index quest info requirement value. And why is requirement value non-existent? Huh? Attempt to consecrate nil with number. So this is nil. Requirement value 1. Oh, I think I'm supposed to put this in brackets. No? I'm not, I guess. Because this does NPC index, and then that connects more. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to put these in brackets, but it doesn't let me. Well, excuse me, game. Let me put these in brackets. Expecting this got. I think I'm supposed to do a variable then. Oh, here I'm supposed to do brackets. Wait, what? And then put these in like that. Yeah, I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Is that the same line erroring? No, that's literally the next line erroring. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to do the same thing here too. Oh, yay. I guess do it here too. Right, now I expect no more errors, please. Yay, no more errors. And it created this. It created this. Okay. Collected seagrass, collected orange coral. Just like we set the values to be. Another error. Yay, guys. Okay, line 42 of this now. Oh yeah, the same errors as here, so I should be able to just copy these. Right, I need to change this to questui.name. Okay. Now we claim the net quest. We claim the quest. I cannot speak anymore. And of course the value doesn't go up since we haven't made it go up yet. Oh. I got kicked. I think the kicking message is because I forgot to set back the value to when the player started walking. To fix that, I should be able to just go. Where is this? Okay, now I need to find it. Like, I enable player walking, player talking ended event. Yeah, it just should be able to just fire this here. Okay. Where did I leave that big space? I left a pretty big space somewhere. What? I can't see it. Do I have to go back now? I'll find it. Right. Yeah, right here. Alright. Now it's not gonna kick me, hopefully. Yeah, we got the quest claimed. We got quest claiming done and updating. It should update if we change the values. But I'm still gonna have to do talking again. So if I go like talk again, it doesn't claim another one, but it should like play different dialogue that you haven't completed my quest. There's still a bunch to do. Honestly, I might just end stream right now. And then next stream, we can finish all the quest things. I mean, I might be able to do some cool quest, like... I might still be able to do this when we collect that it goes up. Because I think I have a bit more time. Like... if I go ahead and... I need to open now collection script too. I'm gonna have to go make the value go up. Oh yeah, that's a whole nother thing. Nah, my brain is fried already today, too much. Okay. Well, hopefully we can get this done next time. Cause like, if I were to do this right now, to get the value, I need to get this, collect seagrass. Even though I could just do seagrass, because it does. But yeah, no, because it's collected. But how do I know what value to make it go up from? I think I might need another whole value to base that off something. Because in BGI, you just set the value to go up whenever you collect the bee. Oh my god, this one little fly has been flying about my room for so long. Nothing I can do to let him out. Because to make the value go up, yeah, I might think a bit off camera how I can make the value go up a bit more simple. We'll leave it for today as a 3-hour stream, honestly. I have had enough for today. Hopefully next stream we are able to finish this quest things. We still need to do the values to go up whenever we actually collect, and to make quest claiming, so like quest completed things. So whenever you complete the quest, it sets the value to completed and makes the quests completed go up and all that and around and whatever we have still to do. But yeah, that's for next time, and that's been me, Nugget, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!